Hello, design enthusiasts. Welcome back to Interior Decor Designs, your go-to resource for all things home decor and design. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that can truly transform your apartment living experience with indoor garden decor ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just starting your green journey, this guide will equip you with everything you need to create a lush, vibrant, and stylish indoor oasis. Let's begin by understanding what indoor garden decor for apartments truly means. It's more than just placing a few pots around your living space. It's about thoughtfully integrating nature into your home environment, creating a harmonious blend of aesthetics and functionality. It's about selecting plants and decorative elements that thrive indoors, complement your existing decor, and enhance your overall well-being. An indoor garden can be a small herb garden in your kitchen, a vertical wall of greenery in your living room, or even a dedicated sunroom filled with tropical plants. The key is to create a space that feels refreshing, calming, and connected to nature, regardless of the size of your apartment. What are the benefits of adding indoor garden decor for apartments? Now, let's explore the numerous benefits of incorporating indoor garden decor. Beyond the undeniable aesthetic appeal, indoor plants offer a wealth of advantages. They improve air quality by filtering out toxins and releasing oxygen. They can reduce stress and boost your mood, creating a more relaxing and tranquil atmosphere. Studies have even shown that indoor plants can increase productivity and concentration. Furthermore, caring for plants can be a therapeutic and rewarding hobby, connecting you to nature's rhythms in a meaningful way. An indoor garden can also add a touch of personality and uniqueness to your apartment, reflecting your individual style and creating a conversation starter for guests. How do you decorate good indoor garden decor for apartments? Creating a successful indoor garden requires careful planning and execution. Consider the amount of natural light your apartment receives. South-facing windows generally offer the most sunlight, while north-facing windows receive less. Choose plants that are suited to your apartment's light conditions. Next, think about the size and layout of your space. Vertical gardens are excellent for small apartments, maximizing floor space. Consider using shelves, hanging planters, and wall-mounted containers to create visual interest and dimension. Choose pots and containers that complement your existing decor. Terracotta pots offer a classic and earthy look, while sleek ceramic pots can add a modern touch. Don't be afraid to mix and match different textures and materials. Finally, incorporate decorative elements like pebbles, moss, and small figurines to add personality and charm to your indoor garden. What are the best plants for indoor garden decor for apartments? Selecting the right plants is crucial for a thriving indoor garden. Here are some of the best options for apartment living. 1. Snake plant. Extremely low maintenance and known for its air purifying qualities. 2. ZZ plant. Tolerates low light and drought conditions, making it perfect for beginners. 3. Pothose. Versatile and easy to propagate, available in various colors and patterns. 4. Spider plant. Produces spinnerets that can be easily repotted, creating new plants. 5. Peace lily. Elegant and beautiful, known for its air purifying abilities. 6. Monstera deliciosa. A trendy and dramatic plant with large, distinctive leaves. 7. Fiddle leaf fig. A statement plant that adds a touch of sophistication to any space. 8. Aloe vera. A succulent with medicinal properties, perfect for sunny windowsills. 9. String of pearls. A unique and visually appealing succulent with cascading stems. 10. Herb garden. A practical and fragrant addition to your kitchen, providing fresh herbs for cooking. Remember to research the specific needs of each plant you choose, including watering requirements, light exposure, and temperature preferences. Creating an indoor garden is a fantastic way to enhance your apartment living experience. It brings the beauty of nature indoors, improves your well-being, and adds a touch of personal style to your space. Start small, experiment with different plants and decor elements, and don't be afraid to get creative. Thank you for watching Interior Decor Designs. We hope this guide has inspired you to create your own indoor oasis. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more home decor tips and inspiration, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite indoor garden ideas. We'd love to hear from you.